The company involved in project and system development for government. The development team need to find the price of goods after the implementation of GST. Each of items have different of tax. The system include IPO chart, algorithm, pseudocode, and flowchart. We are using Raptor for flowchart. Selection and loop also be used in this system.
Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to explain to you um, about the IPO chart. So so for the chart for the input, we've decided to put item code, item price, and label. As for the process, it is calculate the price including previous tax, calculate the price after excluding previous tax, calculate 6% GST, calculate the price after including 6% GST, calculate the price difference between before and after 6% GST, and then for the output, it is item code, item price, label, previous price, original price, 6% tax, new price, and price difference. So let's move on to the algorithm. The algorithm, we use the type of looping. We use if else. So first of all, we set the counter to 0. This is for the looping, and then enter item code, item price, and label. And then we make a selection. So in the flowchart, it would be the diamond shape, and then it will, whatever label we have inputted, it will compare that to the to the um to the what's it called, condition. So if label is equal to Z, the label will be Z, the tax is 0%, and the GST is 0%. Else label is equal to S, the label will be S, the label will be equal to S, the tax will be 5%, and the GST will be 6%. Else label P, label equal to P, it will become label equal to P, tax equals to 10%, and GST equal to 6%. If not, go to step 12, which is exit loop. Next, calculate the price including previous tax by multiplying item price with 100 plus tax divided by 100, and you save it as previous price. Next, calculate the price after excluding previous tax by saving item price as original price. So in this situation where the item price is the original price without any tax, so that's why we said save item price as original price. Next, calculate 6% GST by multiplying original price with GST, save as 6% tax. Next, calculate the price after include 6% GST by adding original price with 6% tax, save as new price. Next, calculate the price difference between before and after 6% GST by subtracting previous price from new price, save as price difference. So in the mathematic formula would be new price minus previous price, and you will get the price difference. Next, we display item code, item price, label, previous price, original price, 6% tax, new price, price difference. So now we're going to add counter using the formula counter equals to counter plus 1. Compare the counter is less than 3 or not. If yes, go back to step 2, which is We go back over here, we enter the item code, item price, and label. If not, we go to step 12, which is exit loop. Sorry if there's an error over here. Ignore that. This is actually step 12, and that's pretty much it.
Of pseudocode. Start input item. If item is Z, output the Z GST. Else if item is S, output 0.05 of GST. Else if item is P, output 0.1 of GST. And for loop of pseudocode, initialize 1001, 1003, 1004. Well, 1001 0.05 of tax. Calculate the new price plus in the bracket price multiple 0.05. New price plus in the bracket previous price multiple 0.06. While 1003 0.1 of tax. Calculate the new price plus in the bracket price multiple 0.1. New price plus previous price multiple 0.06. Well, 1004 0.00 of tax. Doesn't have tax. Same price.
Next one, we're gonna look at the flow chart. First, we have start here. When we go to the assignment, that is Z equals to 0, then S equal to 0.05. We have P equal to 0.1 and GST here equals to 0.06. Then I put here loop, and after the loop I input the tax percentage, then go to the condition here, tax percentage greater or equal than 0.01. If it is yes, it will go to the tax percentage greater or equal than 0.1. If it is yes, it will go to the input, enter item price, and then go to the next assignment, price including previous tax equals to price item price multiplied by tax percentage, and next price after excluding previous tax equals to price including previous tax plus item price. Then go to the next assignment is price after GST equals to price after excluding previous tax multiplied by 0.06, and the amount would be equals to price after GST plus price after excluding previous tax, and then output the amount. Then we go to the top here. If the tax percentage was not greater or equal than 0.01, it will go to the no sign and input the item price, then output the item price and go back to the loop, and then enter again the tax percentage until the command said yes. Okay, if the tax percentage was not greater or equal than 0.1, then 0.05, it will go to the enter item price, and the assignment would be price including previous tax equals to item price multiplied by tax percentage. Next is price after excluding previous tax equals to price including previous tax plus item price. Then go to price after GST, that is price after excluding previous tax multiplied by 0.06. The amount would be price after GST plus price after excluding previous tax, and output the amount. If the tax percentage was not greater or equal than 0.05, it will go to the no sign and output the tag is not available. Percentage. I'm gonna run the flow chart. Here I'm gonna add the percentage 0.9. Then it asks you to put the item price and put enter. And here you can see the amount, and if I put the output here, then I'm gonna run once again and put another tax percentage, that is 0.05. Enter. It go down and ask you to put item price, and just output the amount here. And I'm gonna run one more time. This time I'm gonna use 0. And then it asks you to put item price, and then it's go loop again and ask you to enter the tax percentage. So I'm gonna hit. So that's how when the tax are available. In conclusion, the system can calculate the new amount for goods and services after the implementation of government service tax successfully. The employee managed to use the system efficiently without error. With this system, it can reduce time and it will show the exact amount of the calculation correct.